Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you something. So what is it? I found this guy in my basement, and he's a clone trooper from Star Wars. So, so you're asking, what's the difference between clone troopers and stormtroopers in Star Wars? Well, there's a difference, and a big one too. Clone troopers look like this. They kind of look like stormtroopers, but they're the same. They're the same type of soldiers, a bunch of clone people. But the clone troopers were actually clones. Were actually cloned off the same person. All the stormtroopers were more hired. They had the same uniform, but they were all hired. They probably look all different under the helmet. So the clone troopers were under the Republic in the prequels, and at that time, this guy Jango Fett he cloned himself to make an army for the Republic, which later became the Empire in the original trilogy. And when the Republic became the Empire, or when Protocol or Order 66 was issued, was when all the Jedi were killed in Revenge of the Sith, because that was the order. Order 66 was to kill the Jedi, just in case one went rogue or something. But yeah. And clone troopers were highly trained, were experts at what they did. And what is it? Yeah. And stormtroopers don't even know how to aim. I mean, they know how to shoot a gun, but they do not know how to aim. Because when the Republic became the Empire didn't want to clone their soldiers anymore because it took too long. Not just that, but they did not. They didn't. Not only did they not want to clone their soldiers, but they didn't want to train them because they wanted to have a crap ton of soldiers. But all those soldiers were really crappy. Were crappy in terms of skill. But yeah. Just to give you a little backstory on the clones. And yes, there's a difference between clone and stormtrooper. I mean, you can call them... Sometimes I call clones stormtroopers. But whatever. So I made the shield out of an ace card. I made the sword out of a depleted credit card, and I wrote on the shield police in Arabic. Arabic isn't a real language, it's the written language of Star Wars. But that's the Imperial logo from Star Wars. But yeah. And what is it? This guy, the stormtrooper, or clone, sorry, originally came with a gun, a pistol, and a sniper rifle, but I lost them both, and I glued an American flag on his arm because my parents served in the military. And yeah, there you have it. Just showing off my one of my childhood toys. So, and just to give you a heads up, I'm just saying this ahead of time. I'm not going to be posting as much. I'm not going to be posting as much videos come August 8th. Because on August 8th, that's when I go back to school. And I'm not going to be posting every day. So don't expect to see videos 2 or 3 times a day or something like that. Or don't see me posting frequently. Don't expect me, sorry. Because I'll be in school. But anyways, yeah, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay informed. See ya.